Hello and welcome to Munira Shine Academy. In this video, I will be explaining how to multiply polynomials by a polynomial. So, to start with, let us first learn how to multiply binomial by a binomial. Now, a binomial is also a polynomial. What is the definition of polynomial? Any expression with two or more than two terms is called a polynomial. So, binomial is an expression with two terms. So, here let us understand how to multiply binomial by a binomial. An example I have already written. Suppose we have a binomial x plus 2 and another binomial y minus 3, and we are supposed to multiply them. So, let us start. What we have to do, first consider the first term of first binomial, that is x, and multiply the second binomial completely, that is y minus 3. Then you have a plus sign here, so put a plus sign. Write the second term of the first binomial, that is 2, and again the second binomial completely. So now this becomes multiplying a monomial by a binomial. Here also it is monomial by a binomial, right? How to multiply a monomial by a binomial and a monomial by polynomials is already explained in the last video. Do go and check them. Now I'll explain them here as well. Now you have to multiply x with both the terms of binomial. So we say x into y, that is the first term of second binomial. Then you have a minus sign, so put a minus sign, and then x into 3. Then here you have a plus sign, so put a plus sign, then 2 into y, so this is 2 into y. Then you have minus sign, so say plus into minus, it's minus, or we can write down minus as it is, since it will not change the answer, and then 2 into 3. Now what we did, we first multiplied x with y, that is the first term of first binomial with the first term of second binomial. Then we multiplied x with minus 3, that is multiplying first term of first binomial with second term of second binomial. Then we multiplied the second term of first binomial with the first term of second binomial, 2 into y. And then second term of first binomial with second term of second binomial. So basically what we have to do is multiply each term with each other term, right? So now x into y is xy, then you have a minus sign, then x into 3 is 3x, then a plus sign, so put a plus sign here, 2 into y is 2y, minus 2 into 3 is 6. Now all the four terms here have different variables. So these are unlike terms and this is your final answer. So this is how we can multiply a binomial with a binomial. Let us take one more example. Suppose you have x minus y into 5x plus 3y. So we have a binomial x minus y and another binomial 5x plus 3y. So let us take the first term x and complete second binomial as it is, that is 5x plus 3y. Then you have a minus sign, so put a minus sign, and then the second term y into 5x plus 3y. Okay, so multiplying first term of first binomial with complete second binomial, then second term of first binomial with complete second binomial. Now let us simplify. So x into 5x, let us try to do this directly. X, here the number is 1 by default, so 1 into 5 is 5, x into x is x square, then x into 3y. So 1 into 3 will be 3. We have a plus sign, so we are putting a plus sign here. 3x into y, xy. So we have completed the first part. Now the second part. Now we have a minus sign. So do not forget to multiply the minus sign. And here by default we have a plus sign. So minus into plus makes it minus. Then 5 into 1 is 5 x y. Again minus into plus is minus 3y square. Now let us observe, and what we find out is that 3xy and minus 5xy are the like terms. So you are supposed to solve them. 5x square as it is. Now solving the like terms, plus 3 minus 5. The signs are different. When the signs are different, we have to subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Sign of the greater number, the sign of the greater number is minus. So minus 2x y, and then minus 3y square as it is. So this is your final answer for x minus y into 5x plus 3y. Multiplying a binomial with a binomial, we get 5x square minus 2xy minus 3y square. Now let us consider multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. So let us just add one more term here and it will become a trinomial. So when we say we have to multiply a binomial, say x minus y, with a trinomial. So say x minus 3y minus 2z. Okay, now here we have a binomial x minus y. Trinomial is an expression with 3 terms. So here we have 3 terms. 5x is the first term, 3y the second term, and minus 2y the third term. So what we have to do, first take the first term of the binomial, that is x, and multiply the complete trinomial. Write as it is. Then we have a minus sign, so put minus the second term of the binomial y, then the complete trinomial 5x plus 3y minus 2z. Now we have to multiply this x with each and every term of the trinomial, right? So starting with the first term, x into 5x plus, we put brackets for ease, okay? Then we have a plus sign, so plus, again x into 3y, then a minus sign, we have minus sign, so minus, and x into 2z. Then the second term, that is minus y. So what we can do, put a minus and then take a square bracket, because we have to multiply this minus with all the terms later on. Then y into 5x, so y into 5x. Then we have a plus sign, so plus y into 3y, and we have a minus sign here, so minus y into 2z, and square bracket close. This is very important part. If you forget to put the square bracket, the minus sign will be applied only to the first term, that is y into 5x, and your answer will be incorrect. So do not forget to put the square bracket as well. Now start with here, x into 5x is 5x square, then plus sign, then x into 3y is 3xy, then we have a minus sign, so minus 2xz. We completed till here. Then we have a minus sign and a square bracket. Let us put the square bracket. Now y into 5x is 5xy, then plus y into 3y is 3y square. Then you have a minus sign, so minus y into 2z is 2yz. Now what we have to do is open this bracket. Now once you open the bracket and we have a minus sign before the bracket, the sign of all the terms inside the bracket will change. So 5x square plus 3xy minus 2xz. Then here plus 5xy will become minus 5xy. Why? Because minus into plus makes it minus. Then plus 3 will become minus 3. Minus into plus is minus 3y square. And then minus into minus is plus 2yz. Now you have to see the like terms. So let us observe. We have only one x square here, 3xy and minus 5xy. These are the like terms. Let us bring them together, or you can directly solve them. Then we have xz and yz, they are unlike terms. So 5x square, now solving, plus 3xy minus 5xy. So the signs are different. We will subtract 5 minus 3, 2, and the sign of the greater number. So minus 2xy, then minus 2xz as it is, minus 3y square as it is, and plus 2yz as it is. This is your final answer. You can relocate the terms. So we can say, let's write out 5x square first, and then minus 3y square, then minus 2xy minus 2xz and plus 2yz. So this is your final answer, multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. I hope it is clear. In the next video, I will explain how to multiply a trinomial by a trinomial and multiple polynomials.